Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Paksha from Kids Fun Uncle and we are going to draw a light bulb.
A light bulb?
Yeah.
Have you seen a light bulb?
Yeah.
Where?
In my house.
No. These type of light bulbs are no more there. But let's start drawing this light bulb. As always, we'll need a black sketch pen and only a black sketch pen and a paper. Because we'll not be coloring this.
Why? We're just going to color it yellow.
Okay, let's color it.
Okay, we're not going to color it. Are we going to start with the body?
No.
Then...
The filament.
Oh, the most difficult part.
Yeah.
The filament, the filament, the filament, the filament. Papa, and you made me confused.
Why so?
Yeah, you made me confused.
Why is that?
You just made me confused.
Because you did not follow me fast. That's why you got confused, right?
No.
Then, tell me. Come on, start.
I'm getting confused in this one.
I made it two lines. And I made it like this.
Then do you need to make it so much fast? You need to make it so much fast.
No.
Then why do you make it so much fast?
I thought you would follow me.
How would I? With one nice drawing.
I don't know. It's okay. I did it for you now. Finish it now. Okay. Now let's continue.
Now how will I color the body? The body I want to see.
Okay. Even I have not got a lot of space for the body, but still I will manage. Okay. Now the lower part of the bulb.
I'm done. No, not this one. Okay, this.
Are you done, guys?
I'm done. I start coloring.
Wow.
Papa, you just colored?
Okay, I'm finding the gray color out here.
No, first color the yellow color.
Okay, let's do it. Let's make this a colorful bulb. Wow, you have done a nice drawing, Parikshit. Light bulb drawing is ready. Did you enjoy this drawing? I know you did, and it was an easy one as well.
Yeah. See.
Awesome.
See.
We are done with the
Papa,
drawing
see.
of this amazing light bulb.
See now first.
Yeah, I saw it. Okay, now that we are done with the drawing, do not forget to like and subscribe the
You
channel.
also like mine now.
Thank you.
So, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.
Until then, have a good and a wonderful day. Bye bye.
And have a happy summer vacation.